Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Kishu and all. This video is going to entertainment, going a very special and urgent video for all Kishu and holders. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, now the currently latest price of the Kishu in the market is still, and I think that is still another opportunity for all holders for our if you want to make money with the cryptocurrency. So I think that's opportunity with all of you. Now the current price of the Kishu is very low, so if you want to buy, I think it's good for all of you. Anyways, let's check it out, the latest update of the Kishu. That is the last 2 hours price update. In the last 2 hour changes of the Kishu is positive 0.31% increase Kishu price, and 0.000001 USD dollar is the highest price of the Kishu. You can see in the latest time, especially in the latest time, the Kishu taken a huge pump, and I hope that they continue this pump for a long time. For a long time, they continue this pump. Anyways, now possibility that in the new month, in the beginning of a new month in August, the possibility that Kishu will take a quick jump. We can't say about the figure, but possibilities, a lot of chances that in the beginning of a new month, possibilities that the price highly increase. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction update about Kishu? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.